You can submit questions and concerns to the district using the Let's Talk feature on the website. To start, on your phone, visit ardale.org and then tap the menu button in the right corner. From here, you can tap on Let's Talk in the menu. If you scroll down, you can see trending topics where you can get information about those topics, or you can look by department or other topic, or you can continue to scroll down and look at topics by schools. If you continue to scroll down, there's even more topics such as activities and athletics, community education. When you find the topics that you want to, or the school or department, tap the button. Next, it will ask you if you'd like to ask a question, leave a comment, make a suggestion, notify administration of a concern, or leave a compliment. Add the subject and the description in the text box, and identify yourself as a student, parent or guardian, employee, or community member. You'll need to leave your contact information, and then you can click Submit.